Welcome back. It's Jim here at Kieran's Racing. So, in the last video I told you guys I was working on a 64 Nova for drag and drive events. So, in keeping with the theme of doing everything myself, when I bought this car, or actually when I traded this car for a motorcycle, the body looked pretty good, but there were some things about it I didn't like. Like, for instance, I guess an old trick back in the 60s or 70s, early 80s to fit a 15-inch rim on was to cut the front fender like this. I cannot stand the way that looks. They did a good job, I guess, at doing it. You know, they didn't hack it up too bad, but it just looks goofy to me. I just don't like it. So they don't make a patch panel for this, and honestly I was going to order new fenders, but to get the fenders here, you know, post-COVID, it's like $300 in truck freight, and I can't afford that. It's almost as much as the fenders cost. So I am making a panel from scratch, and I will show you what that looks like. All right, so this is the panel that I made, 18 gauge sheet metal. It's all hand formed with hand tools. You know, I tried to get as much shape as I could get in it. You know, you kind of get the gist, right? It's just a filler panel. So hopefully this goes the way I want it to go. I just got to do a little trimming, a little welding, and it shouldn't look so goofy anymore. So wish me luck. All right, so after trimming up the fender and getting everything lined up, getting the patch panel ready to go, this is what I ended up with. Pretty good fit. Try to get the body line, wheel molding to fit, you know, line up as close as I can get it. It's just a MIG weld, tacked, trying not to get a lot of heat into it. So all I got left now is metal finish it, and then body work it, and then I'll show you what the bumper looks like when it's back on. So be right back. All right, so after metal finishing and a little bit of filler, some body work, the end result turned out not so bad. It still needs a little bit of tweaks, but it looks a hell of a lot better than it did, and it didn't cost me anything. So here it is. Looks a lot better. The whole area looks better. Doesn't look like anything's missing. So day in the life of do-it-yourselfer. Anyway, that's it for this one. See you guys later.